Monday evening, my hubby just made a campfire. We are having mom pies tonight, so let me show you what we have. I just made some eggs for like a breakfast mom pie, more protein, of course. And of course, we got our hamburger meat that is still steaming. And for the best part, it's my little snack box that I got for Christmas, thanks to my sister-in-law. And I have all kinds of toppings in here. You got your mushrooms, onions, peppers, cheese for the people that like dairy, salsa, pizza sauce. I'm so excited. So yeah, and of course, olive oil, gluten-free bread and bread. So we're gonna have a yummy, yummy meal. Come over, come join us.
Right now it's time to make hot dogs.
Okay, we're making hot dogs.